Hello everyone, welcome. If you really want to learn English, please listen to me carefully. Before speaking English, before grammar, before writing, listening is the most important thing. If you spend the first 2 months only listening to English, your brain will start understanding English naturally. Then, if you spend the next 2 months learning vocabulary, you will know how English words are used in real life. And after that, if you practice speaking for 2 more months, you will be able to speak English confidently. No fear, no pressure, just a simple system. Listening, vocabulary, practice. This video is made for your listening practice, so relax, just listen. You don't need to speak now. If you are serious about learning English, like this video and subscribe to the channel. We upload regular English learning videos to help you speak English easily. Now, let's start part 1. 22. Entering the restaurant and getting comfortable. Today, we are going to learn English used in a restaurant. This is very common English. You can use it in real life. Imagine this situation. You and your friend are hungry. You decide to go to a restaurant. Listen carefully.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat anything today.
Same here. That's why I wanted to come out.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, it looks clean and calm.
I like places like this.
Me too. It feels comfortable.
Shall we go inside?
Yes, let's go. They enter the restaurant.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
Hello.
Hi. How many people?
2 people.
Please follow me. Thank you.
The waiter shows them a table. This table looks good.
Yes, I like it.
Can I sit here?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
They sit down and feel relaxed.
How was your day?
It was busy, but okay. What about you?
Same. Work was tiring.
Then food will make us feel better.
Yes, food always helps.
I agree.
Here is the menu.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
They start looking at the menu. There are many items here.
Yes, too many choices.
Take your time.
Okay.
What kind of food do you like?
I like simple food, not very spicy.
Same here. I don't like spicy food either.
That's good.
Do you come to restaurants often?
Not really. Maybe once a week.
I see. What about you? Only sometimes. Mostly on weekends.
That's nice.
They continue talking while checking the menu.
Everything looks good, but I feel confused.
Me too.
Maybe we should ask the waiter.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir?
which food is popular here?
Our chicken burger and pasta are very popular. Is the food spicy? No, it's mild and easy to eat. That sounds good.
Thank you for your help.
Now they know what to order. I think I will order the chicken burger.
Good choice.
What about you?
I will try the pasta.
Are you comfortable here?
Yes, very comfortable.
Me too.
The place is quiet and nice.
I like to relax before ordering food.
Yes, it makes the meal better.
Eating slowly is good.
I agree.
Now they are ready to order.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
Yes, we are ready.
This is the end of part 1. In the next part, you will learn how to order food and talk while eating. You have learned a great deal today. If you want to improve your English, listen to this video again. Remember, listening comes first. Don't forget to like and subscribe to English Leasing Products. See you in part 2. Hello again. Welcome back. Last time, we learned how to enter a restaurant, greet the waiter, and sit comfortably. Today, we will learn how to order food confidently and talk while eating. Remember, listening is the first step. Just listen carefully. If you follow the 3-step system, listening, vocabulary, practice, you can speak English confidently in a few months. So relax, focus, and repeat after us in your mind. And don't forget to like and subscribe for regular English learning videos. Now, let's start part 2. Waiter.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, please.
I would like a chicken burger, please.
Sure. And I would like a cheese pasta.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water for me, please. I would like a cold drink.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Thank you. They wait patiently for the food.
I'm so hungry.
Me too. I hope the food comes soon.
I love eating outside sometimes.
Yes, it feels relaxing.
Cooking at home every day can be tiring.
Exactly. Here is your food. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Wow, this looks delicious.
Yes, it smells amazing.
Let's eat.
Sure.
The burger is really tasty.
My pasta is perfect.
Is it spicy?
No, it's mild, just right.
They enjoy the food while talking casually.
How do you like your burger?
I like it a lot. The sauce is very good.
I like my pasta too. It's cheesy and soft.
Sometimes simple food is the best. Do you come to restaurants with friends often?
Sometimes, yes.
What about family?
Only on weekends.
Small talk makes the meal enjoyable. You can ask about the weather, movies, or plans. The restaurant is calm today.
Yes, it's not crowded.
I like it this way.
Me too. Very relaxing.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, but sometimes I stick to familiar dishes.
I feel the same. Notice how simple questions and answers make the conversation smooth.
How is your day going so far?
It's better now. I was busy, but now I feel relaxed.
Same here. A good meal always helps.
Yes. Waiter.
How is everything?
Very good, thank you.
Yes, delicious. I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you. I think we should order dessert sometimes.
Yes, I agree. Dessert makes the meal perfect.
Do you like ice cream or cake more?
Ice cream, definitely.
Me too. Talking about small things like dessert or drinks keeps the conversation natural and smooth.
Do you want coffee after this?
Yes, a little coffee would be nice.
Okay, let's ask the waiter.
Could we have 2 coffees, please?
Sure, coming right up.
While waiting, they continue talking casually. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I try every day.
That's good. Practice is important.
Listening is the first step, right?
Exactly.
Then vocabulary and speaking.
That's the 3-step method.
Here are your coffees.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
This coffee is very nice.
Yes, warm and smooth.
Eating and talking in English can be easy.
I feel more confident now.
Notice how every small question and answer helps learners practice speaking naturally.
I'm enjoying today's meal and conversation.
Me too. It feels like real-life English.
After eating, we will learn how to ask for the bill and finish politely in part 3.
Yes, very important English for real life. Remember, listen carefully and repeat after us. This is how you will improve your English step by step.
Listening first, then vocabulary, then practice.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Leasing Products for regular English learning videos.
Let's continue to part 3 next time.
Wow, I'm full now.
Me too. That was a delicious meal.
I feel very relaxed.
Yes, food always makes me feel happy.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
could we have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
While waiting for the bill, they continue talking casually.
How much do you think it will be?
Not very expensive, I hope.
I like paying together. It's easier.
Yes, we can split it if needed.
Here is your bill.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Let's check the amount.
Sure.
It's perfect. We can pay in cash.
Yes, that's easy.
Here you go.
Thank you.
After paying, it's important to leave politely.
Thank you for the service. You're welcome.
We enjoyed the food very much.
Yes, everything was excellent.
I had a wonderful time today.
Me too. It was a very nice experience.
Let's come back soon.
Absolutely.
Polite phrases at the end of a meal make your English sound natural and friendly.
After paying, you can say, "Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you next time."
These phrases are very useful in real life. Small talk during the meal and polite phrases at the end will help you speak English confidently.
Do you like dessert?
Yes, but I'm very full now.
Me too. Maybe next time.
Definitely. Ordering, talking, and finishing politely is the complete experience of a restaurant visit.
I feel more confident speaking English now.
Me too. Notice how each small conversation and polite phrase makes learning English natural and easy.
I think this meal taught me a lot,
Yes, you can use these phrases anywhere.
even if the restaurant is big or small.
Exactly. Try repeating these sentences at home. It will help you speak English fluently.
Listening first, then vocabulary, then practice.
That's the simple 3-step system.
Remember, confidence comes from practice.
And small sentences are enough at first.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak slowly and clearly.
Before leaving, always say, "Thank you, have a nice day, see you next time."
These are simple, polite phrases.
That's all for today's lesson.
You learned how to pay the bill and leave politely.
Repeat these sentences.
Practice them with a friend or in front of a mirror.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Leasing Products.
Hit the bell icon too so you won't miss our next video.
We upload regular English learning videos to help you speak English confidently.
Subscribe now and stay tuned for the next lesson.
See you next time.
Goodbye.